What do you know about kings and kingdoms? As citizens of modern India, we hardly have witnessed any real king who wore crown. However, our past is glorified with many such kings and kingdoms. A kingdom is actually a piece of land only which is ruled by either a king or a queen. In ancient India, there were many new kings and kingdoms. Let's find out more about new kings and kingdoms. Hello, students. Today, we will talk about the second chapter of history that talks about new kings and kingdom. This is the first part of the chapter. In the last chapter, you saw how medieval history has evolved. This chapter basically talks about how new kings and kingdoms emerged during the 7th and 12th century. See this map, students? It shows you all the important kingdoms that emerged from 7th to 12th century. Now, students, you can see in this map there were predominantly three important kingdoms which were popular. First were the Gujara Pratiharas, or we simply call it as Pratiharas. Then we have the Rashtrakoot and at last the Palas. So students, these were the three important kingdoms that ruled during that period. And Kannauj was a kind of place where there was a conflict between these three kingdoms. Therefore, it was known as tripartite struggle in Kannauj, which was a kind of annexation by the Pratiharas, Rashtrakoot and the Palas. Now, beyond the Pratiharas, we had Chauhans, which were mainly in the area of Delhi and northern Rajasthan. Again, these Chauhans were also known as Chahamanas. So, we have smaller kingdoms that flourished, or you can say that existed during that period. These were the Paramaras, the Chandelas, and the Chalukyas in the north. You can see clearly in this map. Then we had southern India, which were mainly under the Cholas. We even had Cheras, Pandyas, and Pallavas. These were the smaller kingdoms in the southern India. Now, students, all these kingdoms had unique way of administration and taxation system.